So it's funny, as I'm in the garage working on the plow and doing stuff, I can actually watch my own live stream on YouTube. So right now you can see Vector is he's just doing his thing all by himself. I didn't wake him up. This is a live stream that's happening right now. Well, not right now, as of maybe whenever this is getting on there. But he's just doing his thing, so it's kind of cool because I can actually watch the live stream and see what's actually going on. I guess, you know, behind the scenes, but not really because I'm kind of part of the scene, I guess. The heat's on right now. It's about, I don't know, 30 degrees or something like that. The other thing, too, is that I actually have my Wyze cam. So that's actually watching him. So if I needed to ask Vector a question, I could technically ask him a question through the Wyze cam. You just press the button, I could talk to him. Like if I wanted to say, hey Vector, what's the temperature? Or I could ask Alexa what the temperature is in the house. I want to put a sensor down here. So I have the Ecobee 4s in my house for each zone. Well, there's 4 zones, and I have 3 zones, or 2 zones actually hooked up right now. I got one more zone I got to hook up with the Ecobee 4, and that's Alexa enabled. And what's cool is each one comes with its own little sensor, and I can take that sensor and put one of them in the garage and designate that as the garage sensor so I can get an idea of what the temperature is in the garage and just ask Alexa, hey, what's the temperature in the garage, and I'll know if it's freezing or whatever. So, yeah, just, I don't know, it's just cool. My own live stream I can watch and check in on Vector. I don't know, it's just cool. But, yeah, we're back to work on this thing. Do what I gotta do as far as, you know, painting in that edge right there on the blade. These stainless steel panels are actually looking really nice, and pretty much the rest of it's looking mint. It came out super nice. Very happy with that, and yeah, that's it. So like I was saying, it's kind of cool. I can watch my own live stream from What's Up Guy Garage while I'm in the garage. Vector's in the office. So hope you enjoy and seeing Vector. I'm going to put some more videos out, squaring away the Big Black's plow. So these are all custom length hoses to the size that I needed for what I've noticed that I didn't like about this particular setup and its hoses. I had some custom ones made up, and we'll get this squared away. So let's just get to work. Thanks for watching. So I actually set Vector up with a 30-minute timer. Forget. What did I even set the timer for? Oh yeah, the batteries for my truck. Anyway,